We probably just woke up everyone in the apartments.
Yeah.
Anyways, welcome back to Lovers.
Gaming's unnecessary love triangle.
With love.
Yes, lots of love, especially to you, our 5 viewers.
Oh, we love you, 5 viewers. Shout out to my mom out there. Hey, what's up, girl? Shoot. Sorry for you make...
Girl, you so awesome. Yes, that was to your mom.
I love you, Mom.
She is awesome. That probably sounded a lot weirder than I meant for it to.
It did.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so I posed a question last
well, you were about to. You didn't actually tell us what it was.
Well, because I knew you guys get upset with this. But, alright. Colossus.
I'm just like bracing.
Colossus.
I don't like where this is going.
Colossus can turn metal, right?
We're all. Are you gonna ask about his penis and if it turns metal?
Well, no. Of course, his penis turns metal. I mean, that's obvious. But can Colossus get an erection if he's, metal?
Bubbles.
What?
She said bubbles. Seriously, this is like, I honestly want to know this.
Well,
like,
we'll tweet Stan Lee and we'll see what he says.
Because his body he can't, I don't know.
That's.
Bless you.
God bless you.
I'm probably thinking about this way too much, but I don't know. Like, I keep going back and forth on it.
Also, what if he's like, nah. No, not gonna go there.
I think the real question is can he be flaccid?
Yes. He can be that and hard at the same time. Because he's metal. So
it's a really good question.
He's soft and hard at the same time. But
kind
when
of like my heart.
Okay, don't fall into the hole.
That's what she said. When he's hard and hard, he will destroy.
Where's the other? Did we get the 2?
We have to go to the other side to get the other one.
Yeah, you aren't very far. This is good.
Yeah.
Jeez. Gee whiz.
Yeah, see, we're come on.
This is literally my least favorite level in this entire game.
It has a really weird feeling to it.
I don't like the swimming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Moon Knight's just like, you guys didn't tell me we were going swimming. I would have wore something more appropriate.
Yeah. It's just like because you know
gosh.
how whenever you have like a white T-shirt, you can like totally see through it whenever it gets wet. It's like Moon Knight's entire costume is see through now.
No, you can see through Moon Knight's costume, and he's like black. He's a black guy, and everything's just quiet, and they're all just like, oh, we did not know that you were a black guy.
Whoa, dude.
Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just we weren't expecting it.
Wolverine's like, no, there's nothing wrong. Like Moon Knight's just like, yeah, you got a problem with that?
It's like, no. It'd be like Mrs. Marvel is like, oh, wow,
hey,
I didn't know that.
Hey,
and then Wolverine's like, dude,
Ms.
you're black, what the heck?
Oh my gosh. And then Colossus turns on metal, and he's definitely a chick. And they're just like, that one's even more surprising.
It's like, I was just expecting that one.
Wolverine's back there like, thank God I'm not gay.
Alright, how do we do this?
Okay, there's these little switches on both sides, and I think we go back and forth turning them on.
So you go over here?
Yeah, follow me, I think. I think that like forces them to stay down for longer periods of time.
Oh, that's unfortunate for them.
What?
I'm on the bad guy side. I like Tiger Shark and the other. And all the rest. Man, I wish you guys watched Futurama. Oh, it's such a good
I've
show.
seen clips from it. I just haven't watched.
Where are you going?
I'm trying to get both. I'm trying for the viewers out there. I'm trying to get both Colton and Carson to watch Avatar: The Last Airbender because
I want to.
It's one of the greatest. Like literally, it is an amazing show. Me and my brother used to watch that show like all the time together. That is such a good show.
I would very much like to watch it.
I watched Legend of Korra I really like
Legend of Korra was also apparently a really good show. I think I only got to like the first season. I never had time to
I think the first and then maybe the second were the best. 3 and 4. Or I don't remember if there was a... It's just
I think there was 4. I think there was 4 seasons.
I can't remember.
Oh, Becca, you're now Colossus.
I just died?
Yeah, you died.
But you're still playing. You're Colossus now.
Shoo, you be dead. And they're all just like, yeah, she died.
No,
She just
no, we
laying
needed
over.
our token female character.
How's her body just staying on the surface?
Don't think about it.
Alright. I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure this out. She should be floating. She
Have
should
we
be
defeated
floating.
either of these
That sounds like a
bad
rap
guys?
song.
No.
Nah, they still going. Come on,
Where
man.
are they? Oh, there he is.
They're up top. Well, they're smart enough that they're like,
I
oh
think
crap,
there's
we're gonna get my
only
butt
one
kicked.
left.
Well, they're kind of freaking out. They're just swimming
Oh,
around.
just kidding. Yeah, they're freaking out.
Those guys are super muscular.
Oh.
I wish there was like a superhero that has a lot of trouble with their weight. You know.
Mr. Incredible
Yeah.
from
But-
the Pixar classic The Incredibles.
I mean, from like Marvel or DC. I can't really think of one. So I don't know. I feel like maybe Mr. Fantastic should like. I don't know. I want him to struggle with his weight. He's an old scientist. He's not going to be like working out. Also, that superpower doesn't like naturally give him extreme muscles. I mean, you wouldn't think, right?
I mean, I turned into Tim Allen for a second.
Oh, I'm
Christmas
down.
with the cranes.
I'm down. I'm down.
The sound Tim Allen makes keeps me awake at night.
Here we go.
Dun 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 dun.
Dude, I think we have one of them really close.
Yeah.
It's because of Tim Allen. Tim Allen is
I'm
my
about to
hero.
die again, aren't I?
You're already. Oh, are you in?
Yeah.
Oh snap! Yeah, you're about to die. Just keep fighting. There you go. Just repeatedly do crap. They're gonna come down to you eventually. They're get.
I don't feel like we're going about this boss fight in the right way, but I don't know what the right way
Oh,
is.
yeah.
Here's health.
Colossus.
No, don't go to me.
Colossus
Okay.
also looked really fabulous when he was charging up for that attack.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what you just did, but you should try and do that again. Oh, look at him. Hey! Hey! Yeah! Aw, he got hurt. How do you hurt Colossus?
You make fun of his appearance,
Right.
or
That
play at his
sticks and stones
insecurities,
may break my bones.
or play at his insecurities of one day of dying alone and unloved.
Yeah.
That's how you hurt him.
Because Colossus.
Old, alone,
I
done for.
don't. Well, you
Old,
know.
alone, done for.
Colossus
Quoting
is
Peter
a
Pan.
pretty good guy. What'd you say?
Quoting Peter Pan.
Oh, good. I like Peter Pan. So me and Colin were watching the new trailer for the new Tarzan movie today, because like they're doing a live action Tarzan movie. It looks really weird. It's like I don't know. It looks too actiony. I don't know if I'm into it.
Well, the term live action does imply that there will be some action.
No, it doesn't. Rom-coms are live action,
That's true.
Hey,
and there's usually not a whole lot. I guess there's girl fights. I mean, I don't know. Shoot. I like to see
There's-
Colossus and Wolverine get in a slap fight right now.
who would win in that?
Well, Wolverine has claws. Wait, could
No,
Wolverine's
no,
claws cut through Colossus's metal penis? I mean, his metal. Not his penis.
Probably.
Oh, well, okay, also his penis, I guess, but. Just every
How
time
do
I
we
say
always
something-
circle back to
Colossus's
the
penis?
male parts?
I don't know, but every single time I say the word penis,
Bubbles.
Becca says bubbles, which
Yeah.
leads me to believe.
Yay, Becca, you
I'm
did it.
starting to think she doesn't like the word penis.
Bubbles.
You know, they actually have like voices, so you don't have to give
awkward.
voices. I think
Yeah,
we don't have audio.
They do actually have voices. Actually, I forgot about that. Dang it. We need to go.
Yeah, this is-
we need to go play Zelda now. Are you laughing at Colossus?
You stuck.
He's just sitting there floating. Oh my gosh,
Huh, I wonder what we're gonna fight next.
that guy looks like.
What do you mean us? You're dead.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's true.
Carson, you're gonna end up beating all the main bosses of this game by yourself.
Hey, at least this time I had Becca here to help me.
That's true. Good job,
Yeah.
Becca. You're doing
I'm
great.
kind of a beast at this game.
You're brutally beating that
Even
guy
though I
while he's on the
died
ground.
once. I took one of y'all's lives, and you could have gone farther than I could have.
No, that's alright. You know, it's been a while since we talked about someone flying with farts. So...
no one's really... that hasn't really applied to anybody.
Well, no, look. You see all these bubbles that are flying up? Colossus is farting like none other right now.
Oh, that is true.
I'm just saying. When you gotta fart, you gotta fart.
I've never heard words that were more true. Oh, that was awesome.
How do you do that?
No, I think
don't know.
I think she hit X twice. So like she picked me up, and then she threw
You're
me.
fighting a rock.
Thanks for letting me know.
Carson, you're over there fighting all these guys, and Becca's like beating the crap out of a rock. Well, you almost blew up the rock, so that was pretty cool. You're gonna kill Carson.
I like to imagine that like Colossus just like randomly like picks Wolverine up by like the scruff of the neck and is like holding him off of the ground like at arm's length, where like and like Wolverine is like in the air like flailing around, but his claws are a little bit too short to reach Colossus.
Okay, question.
Yes?
Which was the best X-Men movie? Was it X-Men First Class, or was it...
In my opinion...
The Days of Future Past?
In my opinion, it's Days of Future Past, and then X2 is a very close second.
Most people I know prefer X2, but I also prefer
I think
X-Men Days of Future
Days
Past.
of Future Past was by far my favorite, but X2 was really good.
Although it would be really close for second place between First Class and...
Yeah, First Class was also good.
I loved Days of Future Past up until the end with Magneto. God, that, I don't know, I just thought that was a little bit
Best
much.
time of their life. What do you mean?
Like, picking up that whole stadium
Spoilers.
and, like, surrounding the White House with that stadium and stuff. I didn't
Oh, yeah. Well, I don't know. I thought that was kind of cool. I don't know. I really enjoyed Days of Future Past.
I don't know, I guess I thought about it too much.
Did you... And neither of you saw the Rogue edition of it, right?
No, I heard it was, like, just kind of pointless.
I mean, it wasn't... It, like,
What was
wasn't
different?
worse. It had Rogue in it, and
Oh.
a few other scenes were, like, extended. It wasn't any worse, but it also wasn't any better, in my opinion. It did... It did make, like,
Wait,
one
so-
scene in the movie, like, make more sense, because... A little bit more sense, but not really.
So, Rogue was in it more how?
Well, like... The scene that I was talking about that made a little bit more sense in the movie, Kitty, Shadowcat is sending Wolverine's mind back in time,
Yeah.
and at one point Wolverine injures her,
Oh, yeah.
and so they like go and like rescue Rogue from a facility, and she takes Shadowcat's power, and then she's the one maintaining Wolverine's mind in the past, and so it kind of makes sense. It makes the whole Wolverine hurting Kitty make more sense, because in the actual movie it shows that, but it doesn't ever become a real issue.
The only difference to the movie is they put an intermission like halfway through the movie, and it's just like a 10-minute like workout scene with Rogue. It's like Rogue's up there. She's like, "Hey guys, we're gonna work out."
Like Magneto and Professor Xavier.
They're all just it's Patrick Stewart just like doing crunches like what?
Like Patrick Stewart's like just moving his wheelchair back and forth.
Ian McKellen gets in there and he just like what? Just breaks his back, and they're just like, "Good job."
Ian McKellen and Patrick Stewart are getting old, so they don't know what movie they're in. Like Rogue's just like, and one. Ian McKellen, you shall not pass. Patrick Stewart, Enterprise. This is Captain Picard.
Where am I? What is this? Isn't there a picture where like Ian McKellen actually fell asleep as Gandalf on the set of
Yeah, and like Peter, yeah.
I want to see that
Ian
picture.
McKellen is so great. I think that would be great though, to do a workout video with Ian McKellen and Patrick Stewart. I'd watch that in an instant. I'd work out to that. They're just like jazzercising. I would definitely watch that.
Wait, are you like using the dead body of an enemy as a club?
It's a blunt force weapon.
He's not dead yet.
You are a sick woman,
It's
Becca
like
Hayes.
Pacific Rim. It's like Pacific Rim. using a tanker ship as a blunt force weapon. That's great.
Pacific Rim was surprisingly a really good movie.
It was.
I was not expecting, to enjoy it, and I really, really enjoyed that movie. It was good. I want them to make another one. I also want there to be an intermission between that movie where you do workouts with giant robots. I would be totally down with doing some squats with a giant
Well,
robot.
like after the kaiju were defeated, they had to repurpose the robots to do something, so they just
to
had them
work
like
out.
go into like the middle of these giant cities and like just show everybody at once how to work out.
I would like to see like a really elderly old man like be in charge of one of those robots because they control like their movement, right? So like an old man is in there and the robot is like hunched over and like walking through the city really slowly, and then it looks down at its house and it's all tiny and the robot's like, "Get off my lawn," and then the old man just starts freaking out inside of it.
It's like the old man's going across the city and like there's a battle going on.
Telling
like,
us that we
they're on one
need
end,
to-
and he gets like over there. And they go to the other end of the city. He's like just.
Yeah,
he
he's
comes
just like,
back.
"Oh, dang it! Oh my god!"
What do you do with this?
See, I don't know. I mean, it's
They come back over
telling
and
us to do something with it, but I don't know.
the
what.
robot just is fallen over into the giant city, and you just hear, "I've fallen and I can't get up."
Just hear like a beeping sound.
Like a bunch of lambs like, "This is life alert."
they like have to get like their entire staff, and out there. They don't even have like any trucks. They're just trying to lift it like all together.
Oh, we don't know what to
Yeah.
do.
Hey.
Get on that. That's great.
I don't know.
We have to make that a movie, and it will be called Old People Robots.
We don't know what to do.
You kill them. Just go up and fight them.
Like there's arrows and X's on the map, like telling us. To
Oh,
do
I think
something.
he throws things.
X
Does-
marks the spot.
Oh wait.
See, oh, well, there you go. Why?
Oh yeah, I totally
Okay,
remember
this is a
this.
quick time.
I remember
I
this
don't
too.
like these.
I used to play a Naruto video game where like the whole game was like it was called Ultimate Ninja, like the very first game. And every time you do a special, you had to do quick timings. So I always thought I got really really good at like quick timing stuff.
So so we've got to go over by another one now. Another
Man,
pillar.
I miss Naruto games. It was so good. I like how you're still beating people with corpses. It's really good and really sick of you. You gotta wait till he hits
Yeah.
them or something.
Like, does he hit one in
He'll-
particular,
he'll-
or just the one that we're
No,
behind?
I think it's just the one you're behind because he'll stomp at it. I think. Oh well, maybe not. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe because I didn't actually see like him destroy the first one.
Hey, Becca, I get out of the way of that. He's gonna kill you. The Kraken. Did either of y'all see what was it? Attack of not Attack on Titan.
Clash of the Titans.
Clash of the Titans. That's
I
what it
did.
was.
Well, I saw
yeah.
the newer one with Liam Neeson as Zeus.
It was an okay movie.
I didn't
first-
care. I didn't really care.
Hey,
for
go
it. It
around.
just-
Maybe there's one that's already blown up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
Probably.
okay. Didn't they make a sequel called Attack of the Titans?
Wrath of the Titans.
Wrath of the Titans.
I never
Second
saw
one,
the
not
sequel.
as good. First one I thought was pretty
I thought
decent.
that was pretty
Okay.
good.
Hey.
That would be hilarious though if they called it Attack of the Titans. Attack on Titan. Why is that show called Attack on Titan? Because
I think it's like a kind of a mistranslation. Like I think in Japan it actually translates more to the Advancing Titans. But they do at the end of the second volume of the English dub, they do actually like say something that makes it make a little bit more sense.
Those Japanese, they're so good.
That
I want to go to Tokyo so bad. I think we've already
That
talked about this
yeah.
in other plays, but still, I want to go to Tokyo. God, it's
that
so
would
good.
be really cool.
Or go to like, I don't know. I just want to, meet the writers of like Attack on Titan stuff and see what the heck is wrong with them. Because like honestly, you don't just write that and you're okay in the head. Because that is a weird show. It's freaking good and awesome, and I want to watch it till my eyes fall out. But good lord, giant naked people trying to eat other people. I don't get it. I don't get it, but people should watch it. It's a really good show. I don't know. Oh, Becky's dead.
Colossus is down.
It's all you. You can do this.
Am
Oh,
I
crap.
dead?
I don't think. Yeah, you're dead, girl.
Oh,
I don't think
just-
he'll blow it up until you like defeat all the other enemies.
I think you're right.
So you gotta watch
But
it out.
they're running away.
Person.
Oh, it's okay.
No, you did good. I'm proud of you.
I mean, it's only like we.
Good job. You did
Way longer than me.
butt smacking. That's what she said. You did butt smacking. Good time.
Bubbles.
Wait, I mean, good job. Sorry. Oh, come on. That one was funny. Okay, according to this, we should end the episode, but we're gonna finish this battle. So
Or die trying.
Yeah, we're gonna do pretty good. He's wearing jeans and a t-shirt to swim. What is wrong with him?
He's stylish.
I never understood people, because there's actually people out there who will wear jeans to swim. I don't get it. I mean, I'm sure. I don't know. I'm not gonna go there.
Was
No,
the
what
first
were
time
yours?
that he's in this game when he was like stuck
There you go.
in that bubble?
Jeans?
What?
The first time that he was in the game, was he stuck in the bubble where we had to get him?
Who are we talking about?
Wolverine?
Oh no, that was Namor.
That was someone different.
Yeah, Wolverine was like at the very beginning of the game. There was like this huge thing where Wolverine was talking and Thor was being gay and Captain America was being American.
What if like they find out that Captain America is actually born and spent like the first like 5 years of his life in like Germany?
Like everyone shuns him and hates him because he was not actually born in America. That would be hilarious. I don't know.
He like changes his name and like forsakes America.
Oh no, you miss. Oh no,
Hey, we're trying to help you out here, Stan Lee. So you might want to be listening to us
No,
right now.
but then at the end, everybody realizes that hey, it's not about where you were born; it's about who you are on the inside,
Exactly.
and how much money you have,
That's crap.
and how attractive you are,
How funny you are.
how successful you've been in life.
Man, he's pretty funny. He should be the new Captain America. Just some fat guy who's just like, alright.
I just came for the free donut.
It is I, Captain America! Take this, evil doers! Like, tries to throw a shield and it comes back and hits him in the face. Ow, doing that voice really hurt my throat.
I like how everybody just stops.
Wolverine just like,
Whoa,
"We did
whoa,
it."
whoa, 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 whoa! He's speaking.
Yeah, one guy's just like, will you guys shut up? He's on the phone.
He killed the Kraken. He's our new lord now.
Aren't those guys statues?
That's like, it reminds me of Toy Story. Whenever they're like, you saved our lives, we're eternally.
We are eternally grateful.
We hated that Kraken, actually.
But now they're like attacking you.
We hated the little aliens from Toy Story. How could you hate those things? Those things are so cute. I love them. I love Toy Story.
I love the whole
Yeah, you
Toy
cried.
Story trilogy.
I cried during Toy Story 3. I was very emotional.
If anybody didn't cry, it'd be bad. I let Casey borrow Inside Out.
Casey is Colton's friend from work.
My boss.
His boss from work.
It's my boss from work, and I hope he likes it.
Oh, Inside Out was a great movie.
I just don't know that he's the type of guy. I think he is because he said that he rented a movie. Oh, he rented Planet 51.
And wasn't impressed.
Planet 51 is such a crappy movie.
Yeah, I know.
Deadpool looks freaking sick. Did y'all play the game Deadpool?
No, I heard it was horrible.
It
You
was,
yourself told me that.
Yes,
It wasn't
I
very
did.
good.
It was not a very good game, but may I say it was kind of interesting and kind of fun at the same time. Like it's kind of like the listening to him in the dialogue is kind of fun. To just,
Alright,
you
can
know,
we
do
save?
things?
Save.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll save and then we'll probably turn it off and get silly.
So I guess we're gonna end the episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos.
Bye.
Oh, and remember, kids, a butt smacking good time. Does that always mean a butt smacking good time? We'll see you next week.
Bubbles.